How to change a 3.8 liter V6 oil. Mopar recommends 5-weight 20 for the 3.8 liter V6. Don't forget a new oil filter. Raise the front tires and chock the rears. Remove the oil filler cap from the top of the engine. Using a 15mm socket, loosen the oil pan plug. You'll need 2 hands because you over-torqued it last time. Remove the plug and drain the oil into a pan. Inspect the magnetic drain plug for metal shavings. Pour in some new oil to flush out the remaining dirty stuff. Put back the oil pan plug and make it snug. Unscrew the old oil filter and release the smooth. Make sure there's no rubber gasket left behind. Screw on the new oil filter until it's snug. With a funnel, add oil to the oil filler.
Oh man.
Install the oil filler cap. The 3.8 is an oil burner. Only 2 quarts of oil came out. And that's how you change the oil on a 3.8 liter V6 minivan engine.